what is one way that leaders can start bracing themselves for what that hybrid workforce could look like?
I think this is where your individual usage of AI will start coming into play, because then you can start understanding what it's capable of and what are some bogus stuff that perhaps AI vendors, because it's a really hot space and everyone's getting money, right? So you have to be discerning and to understand the capabilities, so you start understanding the people that use them. If more and more companies are smaller, leaner, then I would imagine there wouldn't just be people leaders who lead people. You would also be using agents and using agents to carry out your tasks as well. There's one point I want to make too. We see this with a lot of clients and prospects, and we try to emphasize this point. The technology implementation is actually not the hardest piece. The hardest piece is the change management piece. An example would be, I'm not very good at Excel. I'm actually very terrible, but I know how certain things work. And if I'm in a crunch and I have like several things to do and I need to do something on Excel, because I don't use some of the more advanced things in Excel than I do manual stuff, I'm going to go back to the manual because I know I'm inefficient, but I know that the output is going to be the ones that I want. So the question is, even though we built this amazing AI agent, we built this amazing AI automation, this amazing digital assistant, we've got to ensure, how do we change people's behaviors, expectations, and train them to change that mindset so when they are under a crunch, they don't go revert back to the things they do, because then it becomes useless. Then it becomes like any other tech rollout. Everyone's excited for a month. 3 months later, no one uses it, and your company just spent a whole whack load of money. This is exactly what happens with Microsoft Copilot. You deploy this, only 20% of the company uses Copilot, and then what happens? Oh, hey, 0 to 60, can you come in and train us, retrain us? Because we don't know why all these people aren't using it, but we need to use it, and it's AI, so you got to help us use it, because then we need to justify why we spent hundreds of thousands of licenses, but no one's using it. So you've got to look at it from use case and deploy the right tools. Just like any other change management aspect, but that's a big piece.